Welcome to another super simple system training. Okay, then in this video we're going to set up our landing page, lead capture page, squeeze page, opt-in page, call it what you will, but it all amounts to the same thing. And in order to do that, the first thing we're going to do is make our list, okay, because we need to grab the code to put into our page where people sign up. So I hope that makes sense. So there's three parts to this. There's the list, as I just described, and the form that you need to get. And then we want the thank you page, and last of all, we want to put the put it all together on the opt-in page that we're going to send people to. So first things first, we want to create a new list. And then we're setting up our list. You put in your company name and all your details. Move to the next step. And we need to call this, in this case, Video Marketing Magic. I've got my content here prepared on another file, which I advise you to do because then that makes it go quickly. Okay, next step, English language. We can come back to this, but we don't actually need to. We'll turn off the confirmation later on because I don't normally use that. Approve message and create list. And then we need to create our first message. Let's do a quick HTML. Give it a subject. Obviously, we would write something perhaps we'll put VM welcome. Welcome to Video Marketing Magic, and I'm just going to put in here, I like to do an Arial font at size 16. I haven't prepared the emails for this because it's a demo at the moment. We'll just leave it like that for the moment as a draft. Okay, save and exit, and now we've at least got something to go to. All right, and then we need to go to our sign up forms, create a sign up form for my website. You can build landing pages in here, of course, but for the sake of this, we don't need to touch anything in here. Just go to step 2, and then this is why we're going to build our thank you page later on. It'll be a custom page, okay? But right at the moment we'll just leave it at the basic version. Already subscribed, we can put things like that in later. Save your form. Go to step 3. where you say I will install my form, and you want to collect this raw HTML version and untick this box here, copy that and put it on a notepad. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2 is to log into your WordPress site, and as you can see I'm in my dashboard. Now we need to add a plugin. Okay, so we're going to add a new plugin, and this plugin is called Elementor. So we just go in here and search for Elementor, install it, activate it, and now we're ready to go. You can go through all the training here if you need to, but I'm going to show you first hand, as it were, how to do it. Okay, so we're going to create our first page with them, and this is going to be our thank you page. All right, so what we have here is the default page, which we're going to change up. This is my site title. This is the title of the page, and this is where we drag elements in from here. But before we do that, we want to go in the bottom left hand corner here to the settings, and we'll change the title of the page to what we want. In my case it's VMM thank you. We can leave it as a draft for the moment. We can hide the title, we don't want to see that. And the page layout we want to put as Elementor canvas, and that will get rid of the title. Okay. Then we'll go back into settings again, go to style, and here's where we will choose the color. This is classic. You can always come back and if you like that, but I want to change it to white. Okay, and then we can publish that, and it will save our changes. Okay, go back into the editor now. We want to add a title in here, and we want to center it, and this will be our, just say thank you. Okay, oops, thank you, and then we can bring that down a little bit under the advanced tab. We can just increase, so we bring it down the page a little bit like that. Okay, and then we want to add another. We want to add a button this time. Pop that in there. Again, you want to center it, and then your download or whatever you want to put in there. Or access, of course, in this case. And then that is it. Publish it, update it. Oops, we need to put a link in there. Link options. If you want to open it in a new window, if you can. Okay, update that. And then we can preview the changes. Okay, so there's your course, there's your thank you page done. And we just make sure that the link works. And there we go. Okay, so that's the thank you page, and now we move on to the opt-in page. So now for the opt-in page, you want to navigate back to your WordPress dashboard and add a new page. One thing I suggest you do is have all your bits and pieces that you're going to, information that you're going to need here on a notepad. And so we can just copy and paste the title and all our text for speed, of course. So there we are. That's all we need for that at the moment. We can publish it now or in Elementor. So we'll just wait for that to load. And the same process as last time. to get rid of the title and change the page layout to Elementor canvas. Okay. And again, we want to go back into settings and change the color. Oh, let's see what it goes there. Okay, nice white background, and we might as well publish it now, and then we'll go back and just start dragging our elements. And I'm copying and pasting from my notepad what I want to put in here. Ooh, what happened there? Okay. I want to center that. And that's okay. We might want to change the size of it. Medium is too small. We could do with a break there. And also we want to go to the advanced and bring it down a little bit. Okay. And then update the work. Always like to keep it updated. Next thing we want is our form code. So you just come right to the bottom of here and look for the HTML box there. You go onto our notepad and grab the AWeber code. And pop it in here. And that's obviously a very basic one. We can go back into AWeber and change the look of that. Okay, I just paused the video there while I went and made some changes to the look of the form, so it looks a lot nicer. Okay, and then I can show you that when we go to put in our thank you page and so on in a moment. And then what we want to do is just finish this off. Okay, we want to reduce the size of that and center it. That's fine. One more. And then center that. And bring it down the page. Like that. And that's it. So then just to preview the changes, make sure it all works. Okay, that's looking good. So now we need to go back into AWeber with our thank you page and connect it all up. So here we are back in AWeber, and we need to go to our sign up forms. Make sure you've got the correct list here. This is the video marketing magic list. Okay, and then we want to edit it. This is where I came just now to edit the form. You can see it looks different now, but you have to come in here and have a look at the play with it yourself a little bit, look at the training that they have in here to show you that. Go to step 2, and this is where we want to put our custom page in. This goes from basic version to custom page. And a thank you page. And custom page, I already have this put in, so it's coming up, okay? And then we have to save our form. And just to show you again, this is where you pick up your form, copy that, okay? If you want to have a little change, which is an advanced tip I'll give you now, what you can do is take this form, again put it on your notepad, save it onto your notepad, and when we go back into Elementor, what we can do, instead of having this code here, we could change this out and actually get rid of that, and put in another box, another button box here, okay, and this one we're going to link to that form that we just got from AWeber. It doesn't want to be here though, it wants to be up the page, up here, okay, and then we can obviously you can change the message, what you like to put on there. So let's have a large button, and we put click to confirm, and that acts as a mini commitment to get to the next page, and you'll see exactly what I mean in just a moment. If we update that and take a look at it, click to confirm, and then they need to put their email in there and click to continue. So let's put an email in there. Okay, I was already subscribed, so it just shows you that the already subscribed button works. Okay, we'll try it one more time. So you can see the whole system works. Click to confirm. I'll put another address in there. Okay. This will take me to the, oh, I haven't turned off the confirmation for this, as I said I would. So let's go to our list options, back in AWeber, confirmation message. We want this turned off. Save all settings. We want to make sure that these are not green, okay? So save all settings. So this time, when we try it, it's always good to see when things don't go quite right, because it shows you how to correct the mistakes. There, okay, so now you know how to turn off the confirmation as well, and then we can access the course, go straight to the Video Marketing Magic training course, okay, with yours truly. Okay, I hope that helped you, showed you how to quickly make a landing page and thank you page and connect it all up, and even have an already subscribed page where you can send people on to the next step. Okay. That's how to build an opt-in page with Elementor. I'm Kirwan, and thank you for being with me. I hope to see you in another video.